To all my supporters and all my channel members, a big thank you to you. Silent viewers, stop peeping the window. Just come in full and do the thing. All right? Thank you. Today we're making okra punch.
Well, Guana people, welcome. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my space. Today I am wearing similar TV merch. Yes, similar TV. Guys, if you haven't got your merch yet from similar TV, what are you waiting on? Go ahead, man. Go do the do. Order up your merch. Tell Similar say Sister J send you. Alright? You can find Similar on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Same channel there. Go check him out. Yeah, man. The merch them over there, so I tell you, a quality things them I watch here. Them ya and a one size fit all. Them ya I wear your size. Right now, me get me size. Yeah, man, never me size. Look funny. I feel me size this. Kerry and Dwayne, big up yourself. Yeah, man. Go check him out. The only thing me I beg you know, nobody go out in yard. They will prank who no like how them prank me. Yes. So check them out. Subscribe to the channel. Them go with a bag of thing over there. Yeah, man. Don't forget your merch. Big up yourself, Similar TV. Kerry and Dwayne, one love. As Dwayne would have said, put God first in everything you do. Kerry, big up your nice, clean self. Yeah, man. So today, I'm making some strong back punch. Yes, some real okra punch. And this is Sister J's way, Sister J's version, and Sister J's style. You can try it your way, but the way you will like it. And the way may I tell you about this one here? Bro, where are my brothers? Come in and see how me make this. Because if the sisters can't make this one for you, you have to go learn to make it yourself. Come in at Sister J's kitchen. Let me show you how we make this okra punch here. Alright? Yeah, man. So, I'm going to cut off the top of the okra. And then we're going to start the process, okay? Yeah, man. Guys, okra have some great health benefits. Please do your research on that, okay? So I'm just taking off the top part here. And I'm gonna cook them whole because I don't want too much of the strength go out in the water, even though I'm gonna use the water to blend it. So I'm gonna cook them just like that after washing them off. So I'm just taking off the top. All the tops cut off. I'm just gonna wash them and put them to steam. We're not gonna cook them all the way. We're just steaming them to get them a little tender. And then we're gonna blend up and make our punch, okay? I have my water on the fire and I'm just putting my okra in. I'm just gonna steam those for about 3 minutes, all right? Now that my okra is already steamed, I'm going to remove them from the water. I'm going to have the water cool a bit and then we start to make our punch.
Here we have oats, cashew nuts, Mr. J. Ray and his nephew, supplicant, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, vanilla essence, malta, sweetened condensed milk. Yes. This strong back and normal, you know. In a normal at all. So all them ingredients there we're going to use in the okra punch.
also coconut milk. So I'm going to go ahead and put the okra in the blender. Now we're going to use the water. You hear that, guys? That's how thick the water is. Yes, all them strength from the okra gone in the water, so we have to use that water. Yeah, man. Remember, strong back we are making up. I'm gonna go ahead and put the almond in and the oats, and I'm gonna blend all three and then continue with the process. So now that I blend the okra, the nuts and the oats, I'm going to check to see if I have a smooth texture. Okay, yes, this is exactly what I'm looking for. So now I'm going to be mixing everything together now. A rundown again of what I'm going to be using. As you all know, we blend the okra, the nuts and the oats. Now we have coconut milk. Mr. Ray Nephew. Yes. Supplicant. Vanilla essence. Sweetened condensed milk. Cinnamon. Nutmeg. And malt. So we're going to blend all this together. Cinnamon. Nutmeg. Vanilla. Sweetened condensed milk, supplicant. I'm gonna go ahead and blend these. Now that I blend all that together, I'm gonna transfer this from the blender into a container so I can add my Ray and Nephew in it, my malt, and the coconut milk. Yes, guys, so here I'm adding my malta. And this is a shot of Okra. Now I'm adding some coconut milk. And what we're going to do now is mix everything in. There you have it, my lovely people. My okra punch is ready. Yes, Peck said me that gonna make it and a drink none. I lie you tell. That strong back punch, yeah? In a normal. Not drink too much. This is not a female drink. We can drink liquor, but not too much. Strong back punch. But we back already strong. Alright? We have to make the back them strong, not true? I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, boy, you wait pan. Just do the do. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good, one love. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself.
Please subscribe for more.